Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tastebud Heaven. Today, we're putting some of the most viral TikTok recipes to the test to see if they really live up to the hype. We've all seen these recipes take over our feeds, but do they taste as good as they look? Let's find out. First up, we're testing the famous baked feta pasta. It's one of the biggest TikTok sensations, and here's how it's done. You place a block of feta cheese in the center of a baking dish, surround it with cherry tomatoes, drizzle olive oil, and add some garlic, salt, and pepper. Pop it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until the cheese is golden and the tomatoes are bursting. Then, you toss it with your favorite cooked pasta, stir in some fresh basil, and voila! A creamy, tangy pasta dish with minimal effort. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Next, we've got cloud bread, a light and fluffy viral sensation. It's made from just 3 ingredients: egg whites, sugar, and cornstarch. You beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form, fold in the sugar and cornstarch, then bake it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. When it comes out, it's soft, airy, and looks beautiful. But how does it taste? Is this worth the effort for the gram, or should we leave it in the cloud? Now we're trying pancake cereal. This is such a fun idea that took over TikTok. You basically make tiny pancakes by piping small batter dots onto a griddle. Once they're golden brown, you toss them into a bowl, drizzle with syrup, and top with butter or milk like you would with cereal. Super cute. But are they more than just eye candy? Let's see if these mini pancakes live up to the internet buzz. And now, a TikTok classic, Dalgona Coffee. This whipped coffee recipe went viral during the pandemic, and for good reason. You whip equal parts instant coffee, sugar, and hot water until it becomes a fluffy, creamy texture. Then, you spoon it over a glass of milk for an Instagram-worthy coffee experience. It looks amazing, but is it worth the arm workout to make? Let's see how it holds up. Finally, we're testing Nature's cereal, a refreshing and healthy alternative to traditional cereal. It's made with a mix of fresh berries, pomegranate seeds, and coconut water. Just pour the coconut water over the fruit and enjoy. It's supposed to be hydrating, energizing, and naturally sweet. But is it as good as TikTok claims, or should we stick to regular cereal? Let's give it a taste. So, after trying these viral TikTok recipes, here's the verdict. Insert your reaction to each. Which ones are worth the hype, and which ones are just for show? Let me know in the comments which recipe you want to try, or what viral recipes you'd like me to test next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more food adventures. See you next time on Tastebud Heaven.